So there's a bunch of different ways you can make $100 per day online, but in this video I will show you how to make $100 without selling, without any websites, without generating traffic, without any marketing, and with no tech skills or experience. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I will show you a very cool and brand new way to make a quick $100. And again, you don't need any websites experience, none of these techie skills, none of it. This is something super simple and you can even outsource it. So I'm going to show you the main way of making $100 directly to your PayPal, and I'm also going to show you a couple of alternatives and also a very cool trick that will allow you to do no work and someone else will do all the work for you, right? So, but before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10, and if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end, and also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The first one is my top recommended product when it comes to making money online, and it will make you hundreds of dollars per day. And also check out all the rest of the links, and all of these links are free downloads, free signups, and free resources. Everything about making money online and working from home. And right now, let's just jump into the content of this video. So the first website that you're going to be using, and the main one, is Listverse. And as you can see, this is a website that people go to check out top 10 lists. So they have like top 10 amazing facts and stories about sinkholes, 10 weird historical North American monster sightings, etc. Right? So I got all of these top 10 lists, and if you're gonna click and go to listverse.com/writegetpaid, you are actually gonna land on a page that will allow you to make $100 just for submitting a story. So get paid $100. As you can see, the rules, it says the rules are pretty simple. As long as your list is 1 or 2 paragraphs per item, and you can choose any topic you like. You just have to submit it. If they will pick it and they will publish it on their website, you're gonna make $100. So super simple, super easy. So essentially you just have to write an article, top 10s in any kind of a niche, any kind of an article, and it only has to have 1 or 2 paragraphs per item. So to get some ideas about what you can write about, just go to YouTube, type in top 10, and you're gonna have a number of different videos, all different top 10 lists. So you got top 10 scary robots that lost control, top 10 scary Shanghai urban legends, top 10 scary things you should never say to Siri, top 10 scary toy stories, top 10 stocks, top 10 what sold on eBay, a bunch of different videos, 10 best side hustle ideas, even, about making money online. Joe Diaz roasts top 10 moments. You're gonna find hundreds of videos like this. So, top 10, that's what you have to type in. And, obviously you can write it yourself, or you can actually use a piece of software to transcribe the video and then just rewrite it in your own words. It will take you, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes tops, and you can make a quick $100 doing this. So I'm actually going to link to a piece of software in the description. It's called Continue, and all you have to do with the software is just copy and paste the URL of any YouTube video and it will transcribe it for you, okay? But that's optional. Obviously you can do this alone, or you can actually hire someone. So you can go to Fiverr, or you can go to iWriter and just say, listen, I got this video, watch it and transcribe it for me and rewrite it, and I'm gonna pay you whatever, $20 or $25, and you're cashing in on $100. So you can keep the $100 if you want to do it yourself. You can hire someone for $25 and make $75 this way, and it's a super easy way to get paid, because all you have to do is just write up an article. So Again, no websites, no dealing with traffic, no social media, no techie advanced softwares or anything like that. You know, you can do this in around 20 minutes to half an hour, and you're gonna get paid $100 directly to your PayPal. Super cool way to get paid online. And again, $100 you can make this. You know, you can submit these articles every single day, and if you're gonna get paid every single day, it's $3,000 per month. So a great little side hustle, right? So Listverse, this is the #1 website that I would recommend, and you can also do the same exact thing with Cracked.com. So go to Cracked.com/write for Cracked. As you can see, you can just click where it says write for us, and they are paying $100 as well. So the same exact idea. You just submit articles to them. It doesn't have to be a top 10 articles. It could be, you know, any kind of an article. So as you can see, they got 26 sexy Halloween costumes that shouldn't exist, 6 books that everyone got wrong. You know, so very, very similar when it comes to like these top 10 or top 6 or top 20 lists, but it doesn't have to be a top 10. It can be any article about anything again. And Cracked pays $100 directly to your PayPal as well. So this is the #2 recommendation, and another one. And this one will pay you between $50 and $200. So you can make $100 directly to your PayPal. It can be $50, it can be $200. Is A List Apart. And again, go to alistapart.com/about/contribute. As you can see, it says write for us. Yes, you can write for them. They are looking for a rough draft, a partial draft, or a short pitch. You can add photographs. And again, they will pay you between $50 and $200 directly to your PayPal for essentially writing an article. And you know why these 3 sites are the ones to go with and not anywhere else, you know, because if you're gonna go to Fiverr, you know, if you're gonna submit a similar article or write a similar article for anyone else, you will get paid a lot less. So you know, if you're gonna type in article writing, you know, as you can see, you know, people are charging like starting from $5 to $15 to $20 to $35 to $45, you know, depending on the article. You will never get paid $100 directly to your PayPal with Fiverr, but that's why you can hire someone on Fiverr, do the article for you, and just cash in on the difference. And another site that you can check out is iWriter, and iWriter is even cheaper than Fiverr. So you know, you can hire someone for like, I would say $25 to $35 on Fiverr. You can hire someone for like $15 to $20 on iWriter. Let them do all the work. You cash in on the $100 directly to your PayPal from either Listverse or Cracked or A List Apart. So these are the top 3 I would recommend to you, you know, when it comes to writing these articles. Another idea for you to make some quick money online is just start a Fiverr gig, you know, start writing these articles. But if you don't want to write them yourself, just hire someone from iWriter. So let's say someone will buy an article from you on Fiverr. Then what you do is you go to iWriter, you tell them what to write, and you cash in on the difference. So again, if you're gonna charge someone like $50 on Fiverr, you will easily find someone on iWriter that will do it for $25 or $30. So again, this is simply flipping, being the middleman, arbitrage, however you want to call it. You know, you can make some easy money without actually working at all. So check out the price differences between iWriter and Fiverr, and then you can use both to submit the articles to these 3 that I just showed you, and make $100 for a simple article directly to your PayPal. So super, super cool and easy way. No skills, no experience required. So this can be done by anyone, even a newbie, even an 8-year-old, if they figure out how to do the flipping, right? So I hope you enjoyed this method. Check it out, make a ton of money with this. And right now, let's just see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video, all right? So this is my previous video right here. 9 websites to make $100 a day in 2019, even if you are broke. So I'm gonna link to it somewhere here. You can check it out as well. Let me grab the URL. Let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let me paste it in, and let's filter out the duplicates. we're gonna have 60 comments, and let's pick a random winner right now. Let's see who won the $10. Okay, we got Najir Janesh. He's asking a question. So while all the sites are free to join, you have to invest a bit in properties to buy, sell things like on Flippa. Likewise, if you are going to pay someone on Fiverr to create something for you to sell, you have to pay that person. So you might have to try some of our appeals to create a small amount of. Okay, I think that you know what he's talking about. When it comes to flipping, you actually don't have to put out the money in the first place, because you are waiting for the order first, and just when the order comes in, then you already have the money, and then from that money you just take a part and you'll hire someone on Fiverr. Okay, so you don't actually have to pay up or invest in anything up front. You wait for the order first, and just when you have the order locked in, then you go to Fiverr and then you pay for someone. When it comes to Flippa and flipping domains, obviously you're gonna have to invest the money up front. But with flipping domains, like in the last video that I just explained, flipping domains is super easy because all you have to do is invest up front, and sometimes it can be like $2 or $3 or $5. So obviously if you can't afford $5, don't do it, but you can find some pretty cool domains for like $2 or $3 or $5 or even $10, and then flip it instantly for $100. So that's just an option. If you don't feel comfortable with investing in domains upfront, don't do it. There's a bunch of different free ways to make $100 per day online, and in this video I just showed you one. You don't have to invest anything. You can write the article yourself, or already when you're gonna have the order, then go to Fiverr, which this way you are not risking anything. All right, so right now I'm just going to send the $10 to this winner because he also left his PayPal email. So let me just send the $10. Okay, so as you are seeing right now, I just sent $10 to the winner. Again, congratulations. If you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I actually know where to send the money to, and also with a question if you have one. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the first link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home, and the rest of the links is all free signups and free downloads, everything about making money online and working from home. Check out today's $100 into your PayPal method. It absolutely works. It's super simple. I hope you're gonna make a ton of cash this way, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.